All of you. Even though if you don't have any other basics, like if you don't know C basics, C++ basics, Java basics, don't worry. We start from basics onwards so that everybody, every one of you guys, you can learn Python language very, very, very easily. Okay. And I hope guys, and I'm sure that within 1 month, because our classes for 1 month, not for 1 week or 10 days, for 1 month, within 1 month, guys, you're going to become a good developer, a good programmer. All of you. All of right. Okay. I am sure for that one. I'm sure that you will be a good programmer within just 1 month. Just 1 month enough. Forget about your BTech. Forget about your degree. Forget about in your semesters the programming languages. Whether you got 100% of marks or 70% or 60% or failed also, or you wrote the backlogs of C++, Java also. Don't worry. Don't think that I don't know programming. No, keep full stop for that one. Right now, we'll discuss very clearly. So for that one, I'm sure that within 1 month, you will be a number one good programmer, a number one good programmer, guys. But from your side, you should do only one thing. That is every day, you just to practice. You just practice whatever I teach in the class. That's enough. I don't ask you read all the websites, read all the books, or follow all the videos, or follow some YouTube channels. No, just in the class, whatever I teach, whatever I give the homework, just do that one enough to become a good developer within 1 month, guys. Within 1 month, that's all of you. Okay, right. So what's first one? The first one is core Python, guys, right? First one is core Python. Core, right? Core Python, guys, all of. So as part of core Python, first, okay, we'll start the basics, guys. Very, very basics, like what are the comments, codes, okay, variables, operators, data types, type conversions, data structures, right? Reading the data from user. Okay. So like that, we'll discuss the basics. Once basics are completed, we'll go with the programming. Programming. Okay. So guys, here first what we do about Python is let's see Python features, guys. First, we should know what are the Python features because if you go to an interview, either as a fresher or as experience, they ask, "What is Python? Tell me about Python." Like that. There's a basic question for everybody. For everybody, there's a basic question, guys. And for freshers, mostly they ask, "Tell me about Python. What do you know about Python? What do you understand about Python? Or tell me about Python features, right? How Python is different from other programming languages." Like that, there are some common questions for the freshers. All of it. For all the common questions now, I'm going to give the answer. That is Python features. All of you. So what are the Python features means? Let's see. The first feature is all of you. Python is simple, easy, and powerful language, guys. Python is what? A simple, easy, and powerful language. If anybody asks us, what is Python? So Python is a simple, easy, and powerful language. If you say like that, immediately they ask cross questioning. What's cross question? Hey, why Python simple? Why Python easy? Why Python powerful? Huh? Still in the market, we have Java language, we have C++, we have C sharp, we have R language. But still, why you are saying Python is powerful? And why Python is simple? Why Python is easy? Like that, they ask you cross questions compulsorily. All of you nowadays, the entire interview process is running on the cross questioning. Cross questioning. You know what's cross questioning? Cross questioning means the second question is depending on your first answer. Your first answer. Again, the third question is depending on your second answer. Like that, It's a kind of chaining process, guys. Chaining process. That's called a cross questioning. Cross questioning. Okay. Right. We'll discuss in detail, guys. We'll discuss in all the ways. Whatever they ask, we're going to prepare in all the ways. In depth also, we're going to prepare here. Just don't think that free batch means sir may give the only basics only, or sir take only few classes only. No, not like that. In my case, either it is free batch or it is paid batch, both are same. From my side, as per teaching part, both are same, guys. I don't show any partiality between the payment batch and free batch. If I start free batch means I should give 100% knowledge from my side. That's all of you. If I announce that any free batch means from my side, I should give 100% of my efforts. The only thing from student side, they don't take serious. Why? They're not paying money, right? They don't take serious. Most of the students. What they think, free batch only. Let's go 2 days. Let us see 3 days. Or 4 days, they stop the classes. After 4 days, they stop the classes, guys. Why? Because no seriousness. It's a free batch, right? Money is not paid. So don't think like that, guys. Whether you paid money, you don't pay money, make 100% concentration. And moreover, it's free for you. You are not paying single price also throughout the batch. Just put more efforts and save the money. The same Python language is cost is 5,000 rupees, guys, in our institute, normal days. Normal, I take the 5,000 rupees. Other institutes, the 7,000, 8,000, 10,000 also. But without expecting a single, 1 paisa, 1 rupee also, I am giving for free. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. I'll give 100% knowledge what I'm giving from the main, payment batches. Okay, right. Huh. Now, so what's the point here? Why Python simple language, sir? Why Python a simple language? Yes, all of you observe. Let's see why Python simple language. Why Python simple language? The reason is so Python supports a simple syntax, guys. Python supports what? Simple syntax. So that's why Python is what? A simple language. Why Python is simple? All of you, let me know. Let me know. Why Python is simple? Tell me now. Why Python is simple language? Because Python supports what? A simple syntax. A simple syntax. Now, again, question here. What is the meaning of syntax here? What is the meaning of syntax? All of you. I am going in detail. I don't leave a single word also. What is the meaning of syntax, right? Now, just all of you observe now. See, there are two types of languages in the world. Mostly two types of languages. Some are called or some are used for speaking purpose. They are called speaking languages, and some are for which one? Some are called programming languages. Some are speaking, some are programming languages, right? Speaking languages means examples what like Hindi, right? Hindi or English, right? Okay, or Odia, okay, and let's take Telugu or Marathi, right? All of you, and Tamil, like this. These are all which one speaking languages, right? If you want to speak in these languages, all of you, if you want to speak any language, what is important? Tell me now, all of you. If you want to speak any language, whether either or mother tongue or any other Indian language, if you want to speak, what is important? What should we follow? What should we follow? All of you guys will reply. Guys, my classes are two-way communicative classes, guys. Two-way communicative. Okay, means when I speak, you just listen. When you have the doubt, you should raise. I should give the reply. Right? Not only one side war, it's two-side war, guys. Two-side war. All of right. So when you ask the question, it may be small question, maybe any question, just try to give reply. If you keep on give reply, what is the benefit to you means you will concentrate. You can concentrate the class, guys. If you don't give reply, simply just watching means within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, our mind will go outside and your concentration will divert. That's why to maintain the concentration, guys, just to keep on make communication, guys. Keep on send the answers. That's why I'm asking the questions. Okay. Let me know, guys, here all of you. To speak any language, to speak any language, what is the important thing here? Tell me now. Right? Which one now? Syntax, grammar, guys, right? Grammar is important. All of you. To speak either Hindi language, English language, Telugu, Marathi, Tamil, or Odia, what is important? Grammar. Grammar is important, guys. Okay. Grammar is what is the meaning of grammar? Tell me. What is the meaning of grammar, guys? All of you. What is the meaning of grammar? Grammar means what? Grammar means it's a set of rules, right? Set of rules, set of instructions, okay? Set of instructions, guys. That's all. Now, coming to programming languages, if you want to speak any programming language, like either if you want to write any program, either C language or C++ or C sharp, okay, or Java or Python like this, or Python like this, okay, all of you, Python like this, right? So if you want to write any program in these languages, then what's important here? Syntax, guys. Okay, syntax is important. Syntax important. What's the meaning of syntax here? Same set of instructions. Set of instructions. Okay, all of you. Set of instructions. That's all. I hope you guys know understood, right? What is the meaning of syntax? Syntax means what? Set of instructions. Like which one? Grammar. The same way syntax is there, guys. So if you have the very complex grammar, then learning that language is difficult, all of right? If any language has very complex grammar, that language learning difficult. If any language has simple grammar, that language we can learn very easily. The same way, if any language has a difficult syntax, that is the learning difficult. If any language has a simple syntax, then that language learning very easy. The same way, Python language supports a simple syntax. That's why learning Python is very easy for everybody. For everybody, whether you are a college student, all of you, whether you are a college student or you are a job seeker, okay, job seeker, or you are any housewife, all of right, any housewife, okay, or any non-IT guy, non-IT person, right, or any employee also, any employees, right? For everybody, learning Python is very, very easy because of which one? Because of a simple syntax, guys. A Python syntax is like a simple English statement, guys. All of you. Python syntax looks like what? A simple English statements, a small English statements, English lines, guys. All of that's why learning Python very easy for everybody, guys. For everybody. So yesterday evening, one person called me. He said that "Sir, I want to learn Python, sir. Recently, my BTech over. I want to learn Python, but I don't know Python, sir. I don't know anything about Python, sir, because in his some third year or some semester, he has a Python language. He failed in the Python language, guys. He got some 20, 15 marks somewhere. He failed in Python language. But now his relatives said that learn Python. Python is very easy to learn. Then he called me, he's saying that, sir, I don't know Python. I failed in Python in my BTech, sir. Now it's easy or not. I said that whether you got 10 marks, you got 5 marks, you got 0 marks in BTech days, so don't worry. Don't worry. But here we can learn Python very, very easily because we go from very basics onwards in very understanding way, guys. Very, very understanding way. And also in BTech days, what is happening, even though all lecturers are very good, I don't blame anyone. They're very good, right? So students do mistake. The same way, faculty also do mistake. What's mistake? Generally, guys, all of you, whether it's myself or you, BTech or degree means we don't study for semester, right? All of you. We don't study for 6 months. just one day batting. Am I right or wrong, all of you? Tell me now. Any subject, just one day batting we do, we get the pass mark. We get the 50 out of 80, 78 of 80 also, guys. Just by because of only one day batting. All of you, all of you, let me know, am I right or wrong? So nobody studies for the entire semester, guys. Just we do one day batting and you get the pass marks. In that process, if paper is very difficult, we may fail. We may fail. So no sad there. See, if you study for entire semester and you fail, means we have to think it. Why you failed because of you study very well. But what you are doing here, entire semester, we are enjoying very well. Alright, right? Nobody studies, enjoy very well. BTech means enjoyment, degree means enjoyment, right? So end of the semester, just one day before of the exam, we study very well. And also, okay, out of eight chapters, we okay, we select 3 4 chapters, we select 3 4 programs, we select 3 4 questions to study. That's all. The same questions come, the same programs come, we pass, we get the good marks, right? If any other questions came, we may fail. That no need to say, no need to follow, feel bad, guys. Right? That's why I told him, don't worry about the BTech marks. The BTech marks will not decide our destiny. And all BTech, any percentage, guys, 10th class, intermediate, or BTech degree, whatever it is, our marks will not decide our career. All of you. All of you. I am saying means in this class right now, 80% students are there. 80% students are there now in this class. 10% only some employees are there or some non-IT employees or some people who are on the degree already. Career gap is there. 80% students are there. Marks, percentages will not decide our career. Simple point, guys. That's why you don't worry about the marks. The only important point is the only important point which decides our life is taking correct decision at correct time is important. All of you taking the right decision at the right time, guys. That's the most important. Not about the marks, not about the percentages. Which one, all of you? Right decision at the right time. Right time is important. That's all of you. This is enough, guys. This is enough. It decides our life. Not about the percentages, not about the qualification. Nowadays, for BTech, everybody allow. BTech person allowed for IT job, degree person allowed for IT job, all of you. A non-IT person allow for the IT job, MBA candidate allow for the IT job, all allow for the IT job. So don't worry about your qualification, whether you have BTech, you have MBA, both are same nowadays, or whether you have a 40% or you have a 90%, both are same nowadays. All of you. Okay. Or whether you passed out recently or passed out 2 3 years back, no change. Both are same nowadays. Nowadays, everything same, guys. No difference. The only thing is knowledge. Knowledge. If you have the knowledge, a good knowledge, that's enough. That decides our life, guys. Just good knowledge is important, right? Some people what they do. Suppose guys, today I given the link to all the members, right? But still, some people not joined. What they think, not now. Let's learn the course after 1 month, after 2 months. They postpone it. Means they're not taking the right decision at right time, guys. All of you, they're not taking the right decision at right time. Whenever possible, we should learn it compulsorily because learning is not it's not having ending. Learning is a life process. Throughout life, you have to keep on learn. Okay, all of you. So my final point is what means here: percentages will not decide our career. Simple point, guys. Okay, don't worry about the percentages. Some people who got 90 percentage, no job. Some people who got just 40 percentage working in IT companies, top IT companies. Check once in your relatives, in your seniors, your classmates, guys. It is there. The people who got 90 plus percentages, still no jobs for them. The people who got 40%, 50%, they are in the top MNC companies. All of you, think once your friend circle, all of you. Think once your friend circle, okay, or our relatives circle, or our village people. Think once, it is there, guys. It is there. This is the correct, whatever I'm saying, that is the correct, guys. Out of my experience, I'm saying now, just I'm not guessing. Out of my experience, I'm saying, guys, my BTech over almost 14 years back. My BTech over 14 years ago, 2010, my BTech over, guys, 15 years. 2010 my BTech over. In my BTech, who got 80, 90 percentages, still they're working for small companies with a low salary. All of you, just listen this point. It's very important to you. In I am talking about my class, which is done 15 years back, guys. 2010, my BTech pass out, right? So at that time, the people who got 75, 80, 85, 90 percentages, still not all, guys. Some people still struggling for to get the MNC job, top company job. They're working for still with less salary. The people who got like 40%, 45%, 50%, they settled very well, guys. They settled very well. They settled very well. You may have doubt, sir. Why like that, sir? Why like that, sir? Because all of you know one secret. One secret. The companies required not your percentages. What they required? They require your skills. They require your skills. Skills means what? Skills means what? For example, guys. For example, observe. All of you observe now. See, if you go to interview, they ask one question, guys. Right? Let's take two persons. First person, good percentages, sir. Second person, low percentages, right? So first person, what happened? If you don't know answer, he got struggle. He got struggle, he got fear like that. Second person, he can manage. He can manage, guys. All of you. Even though not subject, but talking to him friendly, he can manage. The second person maybe don't know subject, but he can talk to him normal way. He can manage the other person, guys. See, always we required how to manage the other person is most important, guys. How to manage the other person. Other person. Very simple point, all of you. See, a person who got 90%. Let's talk about all of you, okay? Suppose first bencher, last bencher, guys, okay? All of you, see, just I'm taking the example. Don't think that all first benchers don't know skills. Last benchers have more skills. Not like that, guys. Just I'm using small difference only. Okay, don't think bad, guys. See, first bencher, what happens here? Attend the class daily. Attend the class daily. That means what here? Not going to HODs, not going to AO, not going to principal. Right? Nobody's calling him. Attend the class daily, okay, and getting 80 plus marks, 80 plus marks. Everything he's doing good. Nobody talk to him. Nobody blame him. Nobody scold him. Right? But coming to this last bencher, okay, so daily miss the classes, guys. Bunk the classes, okay. Suppose imagine now he bunked the class, bunk the class. The next day, when you come to the class, HOD make a question to him. HOD make a question to him. Why you yesterday absent? At that time, he think how to manage the HOD, how to manage the HOD, how to manage the principal, how to manage the AO, how to manage the class teacher, how to manage the percentage, how to manage the marks, how to manage the exam paper. See, means the last bench people always think about how to manage. That is what life skill means. The last bench people learning life skills in the college days only. Even though they bunk the classes, suppose in the exam they got some only 40% only, 40 marks only, right? The teacher will question him, HOD question him. Again, they think how to manage about the marks. how to manage about the marks. They think about always think about how to manage, how to manage, how to manage. That's what require the life, guys. I love you. At that time, what happens here? We think about last benchers, very waste fellows. We think like that. But actually, in the life, whatever it required, that's learning by whom? Last benchers only. First benchers, what is happening here? No HOD make a question to him. No principal make question to him, right? Because always getting good marks, always coming to class, no questions to them. So they're not managing anybody. But the real time what required, management required, guys. How to manage the other person is most important. That's what learning by whom in the college days, last benchers only. That's why I'm saying that always last benchers settling very well, first benchers only, few people settling very well, remaining not settling. All of you, whatever I said here, is it true or not, guys? Tell me. Whatever I told you now, is it true or not? Everybody, guys, please give a reply. All of you. See, I'm not saying that bunk the classes, guys. I'm saying that this is what happening. It's the real. It's what happening, guys. I'm not saying that if you, bunk the class. No, all of let me know. I'm right or wrong, guys. So managing skills is most important. Managing skills is most important, guys. All of you. Very two or three giving reply. Remain just silent, guys. Remaining. That's what I told you. Don't be silent. In the BTech days, in the classroom, you are silent. Here, you are silent. Always silent, silent, silent. But companies required not silent persons. Companies required who are giving the answers, who are giving replies, not silent people, guys. All of you. If you're silent, then how companies knows you have knowledge? You may think, sir, company give replies are not here, sir. We should start learning from here, guys. We should start how to give reply in the company. Learning from here. We should start learning. Don't be silent, guys. All of you. Okay. So coming to second point, guys, right? So why Python? Why Python easy? Why Python easy? So Python easy because Python okay supports what supports easy or less coding, guys. Python supports what easy or less coding, easy or less coding, guys. All of you. Okay, right. So compared to other languages, suppose see, all of you, whether you start learning C language, C++, Java, or if you see any book also, what is the first program, guys? Tell me now. What is the first program they teach? Whether it is in college days, okay, wherever you go, what is the first program, default program that teach us? Anybody can guess? One default program is there, right? Uh, Anybody guys can guess now? Right. Which program? Hello World program. Which program, guys? Here, all people start which one? Hello World program, right? Hello World program. All of you. Some people think that if I give reply also, so are not watching, right? Or nobody giving reply. You think like that? No, guys. Actually, what happened here? So I can see all your messages. I can see all your messages, guys. You cannot see other messages. You cannot see other messages. I can see all your messages. So don't think that nobody giving reply. I am unable to see any reply. So I don't give reply like that. No. I can see all your messages. Okay. Right. So hello world program, guys, right? What's famous program? Hello world program. Okay. Hello world program, guys. Okay. And that hello world program, either C language, okay, or C++ language, or C sharp language, or a Java language. Okay. In all the languages, that program length around 5 lines, guys. around 5 lines. The program length. The same program in Python, just only one line only. Only one line, guys. The same program in Python. Only one line. Only one line. I show you now. I'm opening Python software. I'm opening Python software. Very simple. Print. Which one here? Hello world. Print. Hello world. Enough. See. Displaying over, guys. Hello world. How many lines here? Only one line. Only one line. But in other languages, it takes 4 5 lines. Like importing header files, opening bracket, closing bracket, main function, print, right? Return. Take some lines, guys. But Python only one line. That's why. So it supports less coding and easy coding. So it's called what? Easy language. And last one, Python is what here? Powerful. Why Python powerful, sir? Why Python powerful? Because guys, Python supports more libraries. Python supports what? More libraries, right? See, nowadays, guys, the most highly important and demandable skills are which one? Data analyst, guys. Okay, data analyst, data analytics, right? Or analyst, okay, and data engineering, right? Data engineering or data science or AI and so on, right? For these all skills, what is the very base one? What is most important? Python. Why? In Python, there are some libraries which are used for these skills, like pandas. Pandas module, pandas library is there. It is used for what? These all purpose, guys. Right? If you want to work with data analytics, data engineering, data science, AI, and so on, but these all courses, what is the base course? Python is the base course, guys. Python is the base. Without knowing Python, we cannot learn these courses. All of you, okay? So if you join any course here, any course, in that we teach Python also. Suppose if you join data analytics class, in that we teach what? Python and SQL. Or if you join data engineering, Python SQL common. Join data science, Python SQL common. Okay, but in all those what's common here, Python and SQL both are basic things, guys. Basic things. All right. So tell me now, why Python? Simple, easy, powerful language, guys. Python supports okay, simple syntax. That's why Python is what? Simple. And Python supports easy or less coding. So Python is what? Easy language. Python supports what? More libraries. So Python is called what here? Powerful language. Powerful language, guys. All of let me know. Everybody's clear till now? This is one of the biggest Python feature, guys. Biggest Python feature. Right. So fine, guys, all of you. Today is just introduction class, right? We'll go slowly, guys. We'll take less time, not 1 hour, 2 hours daily. We'll take 40 minutes. Next few days, 50 minutes. Then 1 hour like that to increase the time. Increase the time, guys. All of you. So, guys, today video. If anybody, if you want, right? Okay, please WhatsApp your name, okay, on this WhatsApp number, guys. I love you. Please WhatsApp on this number, right? Okay, your name and Python time what 7 p.m. like this. These two WhatsApp on this number, guys. This number I'll share today class video compulsorily. All of you guys, right now you do it, all of you. So today I'm taking just 40 minutes, guys. Tomorrow, next few days after 50 minutes and 1 hour like that to increase the class, guys. To increase the class time. All of let me know, guys. Everybody give the reply here. Everybody, this WhatsApp, please give a respond now. Right. So fine, guys, all of you. I hope, guys, you okay. You like this class, right? All of you. I hope, guys, you got useful of this class. I don't think that your time is wasted. Okay. So fine, guys. Don't miss the classes. These all are free classes. Don't miss the classes. And also invite your friends, guys. Invite your friends also. You have the class link, right? Share to your friends also. Okay. Thank you all of guys. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow, same time, guys, all of you. This is a 1 month class, guys.